Hi! Welcome to K-Math TV. In this video, I'll show you how to divide mixed number and fraction. Okay, let's divide 7 and 1/2 divided by 3/5. In dividing mixed number and fraction, the first step that we are going to do is to change the mixed number to improper fraction. Okay, let's change 7 and 1/2 to improper fraction. Just multiply the denominator and the whole number. 2 times 7 equals 14. Then add the numerator. Plus 1. 14 plus 1 equals 15. This is the numerator. Okay, then copy the denominator 2. Okay, we already changed the mixed number to improper fraction. This is now the dividend. Next, let's apply the keep, change, and flip method. So, we will keep the dividend 15 halves. Then, we will change the division sign to multiplication sign. Next, let's flip the divisor. We will transpose the numerator and the denominator. So, the denominator 5 will become numerator and the numerator 3 will become denominator. This is the reciprocal of the divisor. Now, let's proceed to multiplication. Just multiply the numerators and multiply also the denominators. Or use cancellation before multiplying. To use cancellation, we can do cross cancellation or we can cancel the first fraction, the numerator and the denominator if they have GCF, as well as the second fraction. The numerator and the denominator can be cancelled if they have GCF. Okay, here we can cancel the numerator 15 and the denominator 3 because they have GCF. So, we will divide them by their GCF 3. Okay, 3 divided by 3 equals 1. Then, cancel 3. 15 divided by 3 equals 5. And cancel 15. Okay, the numerator 5 and the denominator 2 cannot be cancelled because they don't have GCF. So, let's multiply now. Multiply the numerators. 5 times 5 equals 25. Multiply also the denominators. 2 times 1 equals 2. Okay, the answer is 25 halves. It is an improper fraction. The numerator is greater than the denominator. So, we can simplify this by dividing the numerator by the denominator. Okay, if we divide 25 by 2, the quotient is 12 and the remainder is 1. Since there is a remainder, we will write the answer as mixed number. Okay, let's write the answer. The quotient 12 is the whole number. The remainder 1 is the numerator. And the divisor 2 is the denominator. Okay, just remember that if we change improper fraction to mixed number, the denominator does not change. Okay, the final answer is 12 and 1/2. Second example, let's divide 5/6 divided by 12 and 2/4. Here, the divisor is a mixed number. So, we will change this to improper fraction. Okay, let's copy the dividend 5/6 divided by the divisor. Mixed number will be changed to improper fraction. Okay, let's change 12 and 2/4 to improper fraction. Multiply the denominator and the whole number. 4 times 12 equals 48. Then, add the numerator 2. Okay, 48 plus 2 equals 50. This is now the numerator. And copy the denominator 4. Okay, we already changed the mixed number to improper fraction. Next, let's apply the keep, change, and flip method. Let's keep the dividend. So let's copy 5/6. Next, change the division sign to multiplication sign. Then, flip the divisor to get the reciprocal of the divisor. So, transpose the numerator and the denominator. That means the denominator 4 will be the numerator and the numerator 50 will be the denominator. Okay, next, we will proceed to multiplication. But in this problem, we can use cross cancellation before multiplying. Okay, let's cancel the numerator 5 and the denominator 50 because they have GCF. The GCF of 5 and 50 is 5. So let's divide them by 5. 5 divided by 5 equals 1 and cancel 5. 50 divided by 5 equals 10. Cancel 50. Next, let's cancel the numerator 4 and the denominator 6. Let's divide them by their GCF. The GCF of 6 and 4 is 2. Okay, 4 divided by 2 equals 2. Cancel 4. 6 divided by 2 equals 3. Cancel 6. Okay, the dividend now is 1/3 and the divisor is 2/10. The numerator 2 and the denominator 10 have GCF, so we can still cancel them. We will divide them by their GCF 2. Okay, 2 divided by 2 equals 1. Cancel 2. 10 divided by 2 equals 5. And cancel 10. Okay, we're done with the cancellation. So, let's multiply now. Multiply the numerators. 1 times 1 equals 1. And multiply also the denominators. 3 times 5 equals 15. The answer is 1/15.